Welcome students on online class for the subject physics for 12th standard. So today we have study about the chapter number 14, dual nature of radiation and matter. In this chapter we have seen the relation, that is E equal to hc upon lambda or E equal to h nu. Some problems can be seen on this formula. If energy is given, that is 1 electron volt, what will be its wavelength? H is equal to 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second, and C is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So we can find out what is wavelength when energy is 1 electron volt. If energy is given in electron volt, then we can convert it into joule. So here 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. So here we can write a formula E equal to hc upon lambda. Substitute the values 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon lambda is equal to E. What happened? We can find out wavelength. So interchange the place of lambda and E. So here 6.63 into 3 into 10 to the power minus 26 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Because here we can add, so it is minus 26. So lambda is equal to, this multiplication is there, 3 3 the 9, 3 6 the 18, 1 is remaining, 3 6 the 18 and 1 is 19.89 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 is shifted in numerator, it is plus 19. So 26 plus 19 minus 26 plus 19, it gives 10 raised to minus 7. See here, when decimal point is shifted here, decimal point is shifted here. So 198.9 upon 16. So we can divide, that is 16 1 the 16, 16 1 the 16, 3 is remaining, 38 is there, 16 to the 32, 6 is remaining, that is 69, 16 4 the 64, 5 is remaining, 50 is there, 16 3 the 48, 2 is remaining, 20 is there, 16 1 the 16. So here into 10 to the power minus 7. So wavelength will be 12.431 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. Means wavelength will be, that is when point is shifted by 3. So here 12.431 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter, means wavelength will be 12,431 angstrom unit. When energy is given, that is 1 electron volt. But here when energy is given 2 electron volt, what will be its wavelength? So here for 2 electron volt we can see that 2 multiplied by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. If we can substitute the value of H and C, E equal to 6.63 10 raised to minus 34 into 3 into 10 raised to 8 upon lambda. Interchange the value lambda and E. So here we can write 6.63 into 3 into 10 raised to minus 26 upon 2 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19. So here upon 2 into 1.6 means 19.89 upon 2 into 1.6. So here upon 2, what happened? upon 2. What happened? Upon 2. And here wavelength will be 12,431 upon 2. So wavelength for 2 electron volt energy will be 6,201 15.5 angstrom unit. 6,215 0.5. Okay, means we can see when energy is 3 electron volt, when energy is 4 electron volt, when energy is 5 electron volt. If 3 electron volt is there, then we can divide 3. So here answer will be 4,000 something. If 4 electron energy is there, electron volt energy is there, then we can divide 12,431 divided by 4. So answer will be 3,000 something. When 5 electron volt energy is given, then your answer will be 12,431 upon 5. So answer will be 2,000 something. So here we can solve the 5 problems for energy is given, wavelength is determined. But if wavelength is given and we can find out energy. So here if wavelength is 1000 angstrom unit, so what will be energy in electron volt? If wavelength is given, what will be energy? So here we can write energy equal to hc upon lambda. So energy is equal to value of h, value of c and value of lambda, and lambda is given as 1000 into 10 to the power minus 10, because angstrom unit it can be converted into meter, that is 1000 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. If 3 zeros are subtract from minus 10, so here value will be, that is 10 to the power minus 7. If we can multiply 3 3 is 9, 18, 1 is remaining, and 19.89 into 10 to the power minus 19, because 7 is minus 7 is shifted numerator, that is plus 7, minus 26 plus 7, it will be minus 19. So this energy will be in joule. We want to find energy in electron volt. So for electron volt, what happened? 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. But here joule is there, so we want to find 1 joule. When this value will be shifted denominator, then we can written as 1 joule is equal to 1 upon 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electron volt. So here what happened? Energy is equal to 19.89 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 19, that is in electron volt. What happened? 10 raised to minus 19 get cancelled. Here shift the decimal point, after one digit, so 198.9 upon 16. What happened? Electron volt. So 16 1 the 16, 16 1 the 16, 3 is remaining, 38 is there, 16 to the 32, 32 means 6 is remaining, that is 69 point, 16 for the 64, that is 5 is remaining, so 5 is 50, 50, so 16 3 the 48, 2 is remaining, that is 20, 16 1 the 16. That is 12.431 electron volt. Such type of question can be asked for short answer type, that is for 2 marks or for 3 marks, and we can solve easily on the basis of Planck's quantum theory. Similarly, the question will be asked for wavelength is 2000 angstrom unit. What happened here? 2000 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So here formula is there, E is equal to, value is put, here we can put 2000. So here we put 2 into 10 raised to minus 7. Here we can put 2 into 19.89 divided by 2 into 10 raised to minus 19. Okay, we can here gives the values. So this 2 is in denominator. So here 2 is in denominator. 2 is in denominator. So what happened? Energy is equal to 2 1 the 2, 2 6 the 12, point 2 2 the 4, 2 1 the 2, 1 is remaining, that is 2 5 the 10, 1 is remaining, 2 5 the 10. So here energy will be 6.2155 electron volt. Means similarly we can find out when wavelength is given as 3000 angstrom unit. So here we can divide 3 to the 12.431. So we can find out answer 4 point something. If wavelength will be 4000 angstrom unit, then we can solve this energy in electron volt, that is 12.431 divided by 4, that is 3.1 something. Okay, if wavelength is given as 5000 angstrom unit, then we put the values and then solve similar type. Here 12.431 divided by 5, 5 to the 10, 2 is remaining, that is 24.5 for the 20, means 5.4 something. So your answer will be decreasing. So here we can say that energy is inversely proportional to wavelength. If energy is increased, wavelength will be decreased. If wavelength is increased, energy will be decreased. And that proves Planck's quantum theory. So here home assignment for your practice is given. So home assignment is given. Find energy of photon in electron volt if wavelength of incident light will be 3000 angstrom unit. And second question will be find wavelength of incident radiation of light if energy of photon is 4 electron volt. And here answer will be given.